Hello everybody, my name is Westin Ubud. I'm the founder of Paletas Wey, and I'm here in Westin Ubud to celebrate the International Ice Cream Day. So in this day, I was invited with a beautiful, amazing chef from Westin to create a craft menu with Indonesia dessert with Paletas Wey. So I want to let you know who is the chef soon. So come with me to see who is the chef and try this beautiful dish. So let's go, guys. Hello guys, I'm here in Westin Ubud and I'm very excited to introduce a professional that I really admire on this International Ice Cream Day, Chef Sebastian, of amazing collaboration that we will do today. Chef Sebastian, please.
Hello Lisa, how are you?
I'm fantastic, and you?
Fine, thank you. More than happy to have you here at the Westin Ubud.
I'm very excited to have you in this beautiful day of Ice Cream Day, and I hear that you will create amazing dish for us.
Yes, so first of all, we are more than happy that we can be one of the part of the collaboration for the International Ice Cream Day with you. So we will doing Dadar Gulung, but we're doing a special twist to this Indonesian dish.
Okay, so what is the main ingredient for this dish?
For the main ingredient for this dish, it will be the pandan leaves.
Wow,
so
amazing.
Straight away after this one, we will be going together to our farm.
Okay.
And I will show you our sustainable farm where we will cutting the fresh pandan leaves.
Oh, I'm excited to do it. Let's do it.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. In the farm.
Welcome to our farm. So on our farm, as you can see, we're growing a lot of fresh pandan leaves. We're having bananas, we're having papaya. So
Wow.
it's all exactly behind of our hotel. So here sustainability is a big point for us. So much we can be growing by our hotel.
All the things that you grow here, you back on the menu and create something for the guests.
Exactly. So all the items that we are growing here, so we try to have it and then we're putting it fresh to in our menu.
Wow, amazing. I love the place. It's really, you can see the fresh.
You see, like, yeah, the fresh.
This is the pandan, yeah?
The fresh pandan. So this is the pandan what we will use for our dish today.
Okay.
So as we're having the traditional Dadar Gulung.
Oh,
so where you're using the pandan leaves for the flavors and for the coloring. So as you can see, it's very well grown already. So we will use this one.
Beautiful. I cannot waiting to try.
Yes, let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's cut.
There we go. There you see our fresh pandan leaves.
Amazing.
Really like.
You need how many of that?
Yeah, let's take one more to back to the kitchen. So when we put using our base for the Dadar Gulung.
Oh, I never tried. Let's try. Let's do
Let's
it.
take one more.
Amazing.
Yeah. You can already smell the flavors, right?
Already can smell the flavor. Very fresh. Love it. Let's put it in here. Okay. Let's do it.
Let's take them back to the kitchen. So yeah, our farm.
Pandan leaves.
The fresh pandan leaves.
So here we are in the kitchen. We just collect this fresh amazing pandan leaves. So now, Chef
Yes.
Sebastian, you need to tell us how to do it.
Okay, the first part what we have to do is to creating the pandan paste.
Okay.
So as from our fresh pandan leaves, so what we will do is what we have to do to cut them in some thicker pieces.
Okay. Wow, it smells.
Yes, you can smell it, so you can really
so
smell
good.
the right,
It's
really
so
fresh
good.
flavors on the
leaf,
pandan.
right?
Yes.
Amazing.
So on the leaves, we just roughly cut it,
Okay.
and then we have to blend them. So there we having now our pandan paste.
Okay.
So after we blended it, then we strained it. So on this side, you have all the leftover, the dry pandan
I
leaves.
see.
Yeah. So normally you can use it. Might be noch mal one more time to blend it with the water.
Oh, so you can still reuse that one.
Yes. So on there we having the
Overnight.
Overnight. So what is important is you have to keep it overnight.
Okay.
So it will set down. So on the bottom you will have the paste, and on top you have the water. So the water you will remove.
Okay.
You only use
The one that stay in the bottle, that is
Yes.
this color, right? The
the
green one.
green color, and then you have really the nice
Wow.
flavors in the
And
in the paste.
so this is not only fresh, but I'm sure have a lot of benefits for your health, right?
Yes, correct.
Fresh
I mean, like it's a fresh from the farm, and then you have already a lot of vitamins. And,
vitamins, mineral, amazing, and
Yes.
it smells really like very good, huh? Fresh from the farm. So okay, so after that, we go for the second base, right?
Yes, correct. So now we will do it together, the crab paste.
Oh, I'm very excited to do it, guys. Never tried this dessert before, and I hear that this is a very popular dessert in Indonesia, right?
Yes, correct. It's one of the most popular Indonesian desserts. So as well, it's a kind of a street food in Indonesia.
So today we will use this dessert from Indonesia using ice cream, Paletas Wey ice cream. That
Correct.
is also a healthy concept with a healthy dessert from Indonesia, right?
Yes.
I'm really tempting to know how this final
We are really
tastes.
excited to do this one.
Very excited. Let's do it.
So for the Dadar Gulung butter, normally it's a quite of a simple dish. So we having our flour.
Okay.
To the flour, we will adding the whole egg.
Okay.
The whole egg. We're adding some sugar. We're going very less with the sugar.
Sugar. And this is a local sugar, right?
Yes. So
Wow,
mostly all
amazing.
these items, what we are sourcing is also mostly all local
source.
sourced items.
This is amazing. Support the local community, yeah, guys. Amazing.
So after this, we're having the milk. We're adding the milk. And then, of course,
Son.
pandan
Oh,
for the
wow.
coloring and for the flavor.
Nice.
So you can also as well smell it, right?
So good, yeah. So it's only these three ingredients: milk, the egg, and the sugar, and the flour. Flour ingredients.
Yes,
Nothing more.
exactly. That's it.
Oh wow.
So I said it's mostly a very simple dough, but it's very flavorful and a lot of.
The color is so beautiful.
Now we're doing the crepe.
Okay.
So it's like similar like a traditional French crepe.
Okay. So,
So
just,
this is, I think, the best combination between the two countries. I think.
Oh my
between
God.
the French and then
The-
also we're having the local. So
let's go.
nice and thin with slow heat.
Okay.
So we still have the nice green color.
Beautiful.
I think later you have to try one.
I will, for sure, yes. I'm very excited to try. And we will have the coconut ice cream I hear on this dish.
Exactly. So we're using your beautiful, tasty ice cream.
Yeah,
The
that-
coconut, what I think is a perfect match to this dish.
Oh, amazing. And our coconut also, we use only healthy ingredients, like we collect from the local farm, the coconut.
Okay.
Yeah, so it'll be a perfect combination of 100% a dish from Indonesia.
With local sourced
Yeah,
ingredients.
local source ingredients, healthy, without preservatives, without using coloring, and you have this beautiful
Exactly.
coloring.
So there we have our
So you make few of them.
few of them, and I think one of them you can do.
Oh my god, I don't know if I can do it. Let's try, yeah.
Yes,
So, in the middle.
yes. Little bit more. Perfect.
Okay. So it's just going around of the
Round. It looks beautiful.
Hey, very good.
So there we are back. Now we're finishing the final dish.
Finally, I'm so excited.
Yes. So on the bottom of this dish,
Okay.
we're having a coconut cream, because all the whole dish is here combined with a
Coconut.
pandan coconut. So on
Okay.
the bottom we have the coconut cream,
We have already here our final,
Dadar Gulung. Yes,
Dadar
the final
Gulung.
one. Already the stuffed one with the coconut and the palm sugar.
and we have here
Now
the
we're having a pandan sponge.
sponge. Oh, pandan sponge.
Yeah.
Okay.
To finish, there we're having a vanilla cream. And we're adding 2 dots cream.
Okay.
Then exactly in the middle, our star for today, the Dadar
Okay.
Gulung.
Wow, this is looking really delicious, Chef Sebastian.
Yeah, thank you so much. So on the side, we're putting the sponge. And again, as we are in Bali and we're talking about our local ingredients, so we're having flowers as well growing in our garden.
Oh, so you put also these flowers that coming from your
Yes,
garden. We can eat them, right?
of course. all edible.
Amazing. All eatable, right? How come in a dish like that, like a local dish, you make like a very modern
Yes,
and so
exactly.
sophisticated dish, and all the ingredients are local, come from your source, local source,
Yes.
not preservative here, not colorants,
No
everything
tolerance.
like
Really to keep
natural.
it natural and fully taste.
This is really what we believe in Paletas Wey. We believe in the local market and bring these ingredients from the community without to have colorant, preservative. You make just proving to the world that you can have a beautiful dessert like that. Just natural ingredients for local community, right?
Exactly. So we are really supporting it and we're really proud of it to do it.
I'm very grateful to do this collaboration with you, and Westin is a pleasure for us today in the Ice Cream Day, International Ice Cream Day. Do you know, right?
Yes,
This is-
today, yes.
it's
Today
a-
is the International Ice Cream Day.
Yeah, we are so excited that we can celebrate this International Ice Cream Day with Chef Sebastian. That is someone that I really appreciate.
Thank you.
And I know you got a lot of rewards like in Indonesia for your beautiful job. So
Thank you so much.
congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm very happy. And now we go to the more exciting step. We will mix the
Exactly.
dish with the ice cream to celebrate Ice Cream Day. Let's do it.
So there, as we're having already here a lot of flavors with the coconut, now
Okay.
we're coming with the beautiful,
Co-
tasty Paletas coconut.
Wow. Let's try.
So, one more final dish with the,
So this is the gula aren.
yes, we're finishing the dish and some of the roasted coconut.
Wow, amazing. Toasted coconut.
Roasted coconut flakes. So there we're having our final dish now.
Wow,
Let's see.
looks delicious. Let's see
So-
how it tastes.
Yes, yeah.
This is our final.
Modern version of a Dadar Gulung with the vanilla cream, roasted coconut, and of course the star, the Paletas coconut ice cream.
Okay, let's try.
Let's try.
Have a scoop. Please.
Thank you.
Go ahead. Let's try.
Let's try.
Please.
Cheers. Very nice, huh? Very refreshing. The ice cream, the Dadar Gulung, and the flavors.
It's really
They're
good.
beautiful. The
Beautiful
best thing to
combination.
do to celebrating the International Ice Cream Day.
Happy International Ice Cream Day from Paletas Wey,
At
and
the Westin Ubud.
thank you very much,
Thank you.
everybody. Bye. Thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for the next collaboration with Paletas Wey.